What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some brand new NASCAR diecast to get into, some 1/64 scale diecast. So these are going to be taken out of the box one by one. We're going to take a look at them and we'll see what we can get. We're going to start it off. We have, move the box, Ross Chastain, number 1 for Trackhouse, 2026 Choice Privileges Chevrolet. So I will say, the latest shipment that all these come from was pretty massive, but not all of them will be in this video because half of them I got early at the tracks, and then some of them sold out kind of instantly, which is unfortunate. Well, one maybe sold out that I really wanted, but I got it. It's just coming later than these are here. But that's why the last shipment had a bunch of cars in it, but some of them already came through at the track. Next up, number 11, Corey Heim, Tricon Garage, Toyota. This is his Safe Flight Phoenix win. They got him the championship. This is the Phoenix win race version. Of course, we already got the championship truck. That is this scheme with the championship logo on it. This is the actual raced version from winning. So cool, always cool to get trucks. Cool to get a race winning truck, so super cool. Sticking with race wins, we've got Connor Zilich, Roval win from 2025 Xfinity Series. Roval winning number 88, WeatherTech. Look at all those win stickers. Bunch of them. All right, halfway there. Next up, we've got an Arca car. This is the Brayton Laster 06 Peerless Pump 2025 Toyota Camry from the Arca Menards series. Oh, my Gen 6 body. What I wouldn't do to have you back. So far in this video, we've got a Cup car, we've got a truck, we've got an Xfinity car, and we've got an Arca car. So I guess what's next is I'll pull out my late model from the box. Just kidding, just kidding. William Byron, number 24. This is his HP Chevrolet that everybody hates the scheme. It is kind of buns, but the only reason that I would defend it is because the HP colors are blue and white. So, I mean, the car is blue and white. Can't deny that. I have a visitor. Likes to come join me for this stuff. Here you go. You can have that. Okay, I'll take it back. Next, last car of the box, John Hunter Nemechek. 2026 Pi Barker 42 for Legacy Motor Club, Toyota Camry. So pretty sweet to get John Hunter Nemechek, Legacy Motor Club. This man did not have a good brickyard. He ended up causing the only entertainment of the whole entire race, basically, when he dumped Blaney. Other than that, the race was ass. But they can't all be winners, I guess. So, John Hunter Nemechek. Here you go. You can have that one too. All right. So bringing them back in, got the John Hunter, got the Byron. Go with the Cup cars here. Ross. So 3 Cup cars from 2026. And then that's where we get into a Arca 2025 Arca scheme. We have a race winning truck from 2025. Super cool. Very excited to get that. Hopefully we get some more race winning trucks. I know there's a bunch of them up for pre-order and coming out, so let's hope they make it. And then Connor Zilic, win number 95 of 2025, was the Roval win. WeatherTech number 88. That scheme won like 95 of those races too. So, pretty cool variety here. All series of NASCAR represented. Race winning schemes here from the playoffs last year. But with that being said, as always, like this video, leave a comment on which car from this video you like the best, and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out, and we'll catch you in the next one.